I know you guys know what this is. It's a cruise control for bikes that don't have an electronic cruise control. So, I know you guys know what this is. It's a cruise control for bikes that don't have an electronic cruise control. But did you know that you could do the same thing with a pencil and a rubber band? I'm going to show you how. Okay, so basically what you do is you lay the pencil on your grip like so, and then you can take the rubber band, and basically I'm going to try to do this one-handed. You may need a thicker rubber band, but that's all there is to it. So basically the idea is you pull back the throttle and then you push this, you can push this forward like that and it'll hold. It's not as good, but it'll hold the throttle in place. So you might need a thicker rubber band, but you get the idea. If you try this, it can be dangerous. The reason you use a rubber band though, so you can actually rip it off real fast if you need to. User beware, try it at your own risk. And if you like this tip, go ahead and please like and subscribe, and I'll give you more. Thanks.